Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A CARFAX history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call